We were painting one of my houses, and even I paid attention before, though that was perfect time to look at the issue deeper. The bottom of my siding was always either wet or damp, and it has been a problem for a while before I purchased the house. You can literally poke your finger halfway through the siding or just peel it off without effort. The cause of constantly wet wooden siding and over time wears and damages of it is of course water. Even if you have a lot of rain, you shouldn't be having your entire siding compromised. You're not gonna replace siding every time if simple rain water damages it. The water just should dry out. We're not talking about standing snow in severe cold climates, but obviously the main problem of consistent wet siding is standing water. You need to find the source of it and eliminate it. Here is the other side of the house and siding there. You can see how solid is it without any sort of dampness. You also can see flat flushing underneath the siding, and this is the answer in my case. On the side where siding was constantly wet and got fluffy and damaged over time, the flushing wasn't sitting properly holding water. The water needs to run out from flushing, not to stand there. Standing water over time evaporates, softening any wood next to it or above, or if the water sits right in the wood. Imagine what will happen in years. Here as you see an angle on the other side with properly installed or bent flushing running slope down. We decided to do a good job and replace entire siding piece. I also sprayed joists with mold prevention spray. Instead of looking for and putting the same style 90 degrees metal flushing, we decided to get small quarter-round PVC board and silicone well all the gaps. You can't even see much difference between two sides. Especially after everything is finished and painted, looking pretty good to me. We finished this job on July 28th, today is November 26th, and as you can see, nothing happened to siding. Anytime your wooden siding is constantly damp or wet, look for causes of standing water to eliminate the problem.